Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Look at this gorgeous mirror I just installed in my daughter's room. It is by Keonjinn and it is 22 inches by 30 inches. The thing I love most about this mirror is the ease in which you install it. Install the French cleats and your mirror literally just slides right on top. You can hang it vertically or horizontal. I also love the cleats because I feel like they're safer and more secure than just having two little screws in my daughter's room. The frame on this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little over 1.5 inches thick, and it is this beautiful brushed gold, which really just gives it a luxurious look to it. The four corners are also put together very well with these joints, so it's a very high quality mirror. The glass looks like it's floating inside of the frame. It really adds a deep set 3D look to the mirror and just adds to the luxurious look that I was going for. The mirror is a no copper mirror. You get a really crisp, clear image with that, but it also extends the life of a mirror. You don't get that corrosion that sometimes you get with cheaper mirrors. This is super nice if you're installing it in a bathroom with moisture to make sure that your mirror gets a long life. So if you are looking for a very luxurious mirror for your bedroom, your bathroom, your living room, I highly recommend this one by Keonjin. You will love it. But that's just my point of view.